Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a Lego brick on Blender. So firstly, what you do is you get a square in. Now that you've got your square, you need to size it down, which I forgot to click A. I don't know why I switched to edit mode. But once you've done that, what you do next is you just size it down to look like a 2x1 brick. So now you just gotta size down this little circle, and now that you have it, you can just add it. So yeah, you've done that. I think there's like 3. Now there's 6, isn't there? Yeah, there's 6 in each one. Yeah, there's 6 in each one. Now that you've done that, you have to just like make it. It's an 8, doesn't it have 8? Yeah, it's got 8. Now that you've got it, yeah, now that looks perfectly fine. Now we need to make the bottom. Now it should work. Now you put that slightly up. Oh wait, did I get the bottom out? Um. Now we've done that. Like. Yeah. Now we've done that. We lift it up a bit and it should work. And okay, now it's done, I think. Now we just need to delete that. Now we've got a brick, we can duplicate it, we can join it, we can do whatever with it. So that's how to make a brick on Blender. Bye guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share. Bye.